Alrighty, everybody. Welcome back to CyberSecJourney. And I know it's been a while. This video, I mentioned that this video was going to be out probably about 2 weeks ago. But as you can see, my last post in the chat was on the 9th. And here we are on the 13th and no comments or anything. So the Discord channel has died down. Now, granted, a lot of people in here are got day jobs, they're working, and then they come home and, some of them are taking cybersecurity courses in college. I think a couple of them are, and others are. Oh, let me get to. Let's see who's online. And others are taking courses and hack the box and try to hack me and over the wire and all that stuff. And then like some of most of them got kids and a life, and so unlike me, they can sit here and do this 16 to 18 hours a day. You know, they've got other things, and so I get it, I understand. But when they first started, it was an active chat during its moments. Time periods for people overseas and time periods for people here in North America. But either way, it's died down a lot. And, we all know each other now. We've all had our introductions, and, we all know who's who and who's doing what. And so, really, I guess there's really not much to talk about. But also, that brings me to the point. Cybersecurity is kind of like music. If you're going to stick with it, you got to love it. It's got to be, you got to be into it when you first wake up in the morning. And, it can't be something that you're like, like you're working at 7-Eleven or McDonald's, and you wake up, you're like, oh my God, I got to go to work again today. Because, you know, people do those jobs just because they have to pay the bills, but it's not an enjoyable job. You know, if you're already paying the bills and you're trying to, establish a new career, then, you've already got something that's paying your bills, but you're trying to go to school, you're trying to study, and you're trying to learn a new trade, but it's not required. If you wake up in the morning and you go, oh my God, I got cybersecurity training today. You know what? I got to work, today's Wednesday, middle of the week. I still got 2 days left in the week. You know what? I'm going to skip it today. I don't need it. I'm going to go to work, and after I get done from work, I'm going to go out party and relax and do something else. And well, that puts you one day behind. But then again, before you know it, you're 2 days behind, 3 days behind. And you end up where people are now. And I see this all over. This is a cybersecurity group that I'm on, beginners on Facebook. And I made a post yesterday on here. Wasn't a nice post, which most of mine aren't, because since this is beginners, there's really, really, really stupid questions on here. And so if you're gonna answer a stupid question, I'm gonna give you a stupid answer. Like right here, is cybersecurity worth? Well, first of all, is cybersecurity a worth it degree according to scope and job opportunities in future? And so that person, English isn't their first language, and which is common for most people on this group. There's a lot of people from Pakistan on here, obviously, Pakistan and India. Them people, they're, they're a weird bunch. They want to learn security and everything, but, they don't want to take the time and, learning it. It's at least a 4 to 6 year uh, learning journey, but, they want to learn it before the week is out. It's the now generation in, 2024. I want to know it now. But that's what this video is going to be focused on. And it's going to be a change in my format. Going to be doing the video editing because, like I said, I'm still here to get people into security. And the people that loved my storytelling and everything, was just me doing the storytelling, like talking like right now with, usually I had my YouTube homepage up. They weren't here for the visuals or anything. They were here just to hear me tell my stories, you know. So we're going to switch it up and see how it goes and see if we can bring some new people into CyberSecJourney and hopefully get some new blood, hopefully into cybersecurity, and or at least on the road there. They're probably going to last less than 30 days, to be honest. But you know, if I go through 100 and only get one, then I'll consider that a win. So with that, let's get started on the point of the video, shall we? Alrighty, let's get this underway, shall we? Um, where to start? Okay. In this era, where cybersecurity is more crucial than ever, 2024, many dream of entering this high-stakes field with the lure, undeniably, let's say, a blend of technology, intrigue, promise, goals, whatever, of making a significant impact. But as many newcomers discover, the reality of cybersecurity is far more complicated and challenging than initially appears. Yeah. I'm experiencing that a lot now with the chat, and of course I already knew about it anyway, but for countless individuals, the journey begins with excitement, optimism. They enroll in cybersecurity courses, earn certifications, they set their sights on the future, filled with promises and glee and money, and they come out, hey, I got this certification, CompTIA Security Plus, CIS, Certified Ethical Hacker. It's a golden ticket to success. Or at least, I guess that's what they've been told. Look, these credentials are designed to provide foundational knowledge. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Don't take it for anything more. Don't take it as a job security, job, hey, this is my, don't pass, go certificate, let me in, I did my part. I passed my school and everything. But this is just the beginning. I mean, you got a whole road ahead of you here. While they can open doors, they do not fully prepare you for the real world challenges that lie ahead. The initial excitement often fades, well, actually, it's more like a harsh reality, to be honest, when you actually get hired and everything, and you get this reality check when the theoretical knowledge that is put to the test. In other words, you sit your ass down at a desk, and everybody leaves and you're there by yourself, and now you're on your own. The world of cybersecurity is dynamic, changes daily, ever evolving, let's say. Problems are rarely straightforward and often defy textbook solutions. What you've seen in school, you're going to get problems every day that you have never seen before. As a professional cybersecurity person, you'll confront scenarios that demand more than note memorization. Critical thinking and advanced problem-solving skills becomes essential. The problems you encounter may, be monumental, unprecedented, let's say. Require innovative thinking, creative solutions, adaptability. Basically just thinking out of the box. I mean, I don't know how many different ways I can tell it to you guys. Consider this. The problems that arise in a professional setting may not align with what was covered in your course or courses. And you will think you got to be able to think on your feet. You got to analyze complex situations and often work under pressure to find effective solutions Your boss is going to be hounding over your shoulder. There's going to be deadlines. Um, the pressure is going to be on. I mean, this is where the rubber hits the road, guys. This is what you don't learn in school. Um, One of the hardest lessons for newcomers is realizing that formal education alone is not enough. While certifications are great, they provide a baseline of knowledge. Granted, that's all they are. All you just know the material. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Don't get a big head that you got a CIS certificate or a CEH certificate or whatever. It's just a piece of paper with your name on it. It says that you took the course and you know this stuff. They don't cover the myriad of scenarios you'll face in the field. The self-directed learning that follows is crucial. And that self-directed learning is you sitting by your desk, by yourself, figuring these problems out as they come up. You're not in class no more. No more raising your hand, for the teacher, who in this case is your boss, to come over and help you. Because after 2 or 3 times of doing that, he's just going to fire your ass. Because obviously, all you have is book smarts and nothing more. And he's not paid to sit here and babysit you. So, mentorship and hands-on experience are invaluable, along with, your critical thinking and your problem solving. They bridge the gap between the theoretical knowledge and the practical application that you're applying it to, that you learned in school. Learning from experienced professionals and engaging in real-world projects help build the skills needed for you to succeed. It's like a big puzzle. Everything has to come together. Just the book smarts alone ain't going to get you there. You learn the material, you learn the book smart and everything, but you haven't applied it to anything yet. And the material that you learned in college or a course or on YouTube or what is so outdated it ain't even funny. When you get on a job, on a desk, you're going to see brand new malware, brand new problems, brand new vulnerabilities that were not even known when you were taking your course. So this is ground zero. There are no solutions for this. You've seen it. It's on your computer screen at work. You got to figure this out. How do you fix this? This is what your employer has hired you for. In cybersecurity, the learning never stops. The field is constantly evolving with new threats and technologies emerging regularly, almost hourly, if you get in the right job. But continuous education and staying updated with industry trends are absolutely necessary to remain effective. When you're at home, not working, this is on your own basically. When you're at home, you need to be, scouring cybersecurity news and, see what's going on out there that you don't know about yet. Who knows? Maybe you might come across an article today, and in a couple of days, that problem is literally going to come across your computer screen. And you go, wait a minute, I've seen this. I've read this before. I just seen this the other day in the paper. So despite the difficulties, the field of cybersecurity offers immense rewards for those who persist and are motivated. The sense of accomplishment for solving complex problems and protecting vital information, is unparalleled. You feel it's like a rush of adrenaline when you solve something. Complicated. You figured it out. You did it. I mean, don't go praising to your boss. I mean, because that looks bad. Because you're supposed to know. You're supposed to do it. That's what he pays you for. He's like, why are you so thrilled? This is your job. I mean, okay, we get it. You solved it. Hooray! But this is what you do. Is it? Is it not? I mean, it's what I'm paying you for. So for those considering a career in cybersecurity, be prepared for challenging, yourself, and rewarding the journey, getting excited, solving problems, knowing that hey, I did this. Embrace the complexity. Don't be afraid of it. Don't, oh my God, what am I going to do? Seek out membership. When you're at a job, there are other people that will help you. But you can't be raising your hand all the time. Every time you're presented with a problem, you can't raise your, hey, Tom, I need your help again. Tom's got things to do too. So, he don't mind helping you, yeah, okay, he hasn't heard you talk all week, and everything. And so you holler, hey man, and can you take a look at this with me? Oh, sure, fine, no problem. But when you're doing it every day, now you're getting annoyed. Tom's gonna, like, dude, leave me alone, man. I got my own job to do. So this is stuff that you're gonna have, you got to know. You got to, you just got to be, yourself. You got to be able to solve things yourself, and don't ask for help unless it's absolutely necessary. Because too much asking pretty much shows that you don't know nothing. You're just book smart with your degree. That's all it tells everybody. So remember, the road to becoming a cybersecurity expert is not a straight path. It requires dedication, resilience, motivation, a passion for doing the job, problem solving, critical thinking, and connect with communities like the Facebook group that I'm on, and the Discord channel that I'm in. Join Discord. Doesn't have to be mine, but mingle with other people. You'll learn other things. Talk to them and everything. You'll pick things up. Stay in the community. Stay informed. Never stop learning. Basically. So with that, guys, I know it's been a while, and who knows when the next video will be up. But thank you for watching. And if you like this video format, this new insightful look and storytelling and everything from my previous storytelling, please subscribe. Let me know. Show me the love. Hit the bell, the icon, and all that garbage for more content, more videos like this. And always remember, stay on your journey to your cybersecurity goal, because right now it is a goal. Don't turn it into a dream. Dreams are never achieved. A dream is not a destination. A goal is a destination. So make sure you distinguish between the two. And with that, guys, I will see you guys next time.